Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's review, I'm going to start off here with the 10-year Treasury Index. The 10-year yields are a market that pretty much everyone enjoys talking about, I think, or you just see it in most trading circles, and I am bringing it to you this evening with what I believe is a interesting pattern where we are seeing the low compression squeeze that is providing a strong directional move, and then the relationship of the very clean, right? It's a swing that most traders would agree upon, right? Measuring the 43.33 down into the low that was made here at 32.53, and then the 1618 being a common proportion that is studied. All of that lining up right at the $50 or 5% mark. So that seems like something that is just a matter of time that will eventually be a self-fulfilling prophecy. And then it's just how far and to what degree that creates a ripple effect through the market. So that's a question for the next, 3 to 6 months. I can't say that I'm going to go too much more into it right here, but I wanted to cover that chart with you. And then I wanted to cover one more thing that I'm watching for setups into tomorrow. One of the staples of my trading plan is looking for 15-minute end-of-day squeezes that will take you into primary Voodoo lines. Now, if all of that sounds like a mouthful, just stick with me for a minute, and I'll show you the levels that you can carry into tomorrow. So for the first part here in Tesla, you can see here that the end-of-day squeeze is the compression, the signal that does not fire before the market closes. You could also think about it as saying, well, this was very range-bound and sideways. It can't do that forever. Tomorrow, it's either going to be a $240 stock or it's going to be a $250 stock. And I'm looking for these squeezes to take you into the upper end of that range. And I think that that'll be the move that's in play for tomorrow. So I like the way that squeeze is setting up. I like the level. And then I'm going to take it over into Amazon. And Amazon is the same thing, right? If the way that I described that at first technically kind of sounds like a lot, you can boil it down to its most simple terms that say above 130 should seek out 135, and there is a chance that the 15-minute squeeze can start to get that move underway. So those will be the moves that I'm looking for tomorrow morning. Of course, at 130, I'm going to be careful with the idea. Below 130, I would be wrong, at least in the short term, and that's how I'm going to be setting my trades up into Tuesday and Wednesday. Really Thursday morning is where we start to get the economic data that will matter. So these are about 2 to possibly 3-day trades, and I hope it helps you get set up for the week. So y'all have good trading, and I hope to see you in the room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.